In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey using Google Forms. This tool is an incredibly versatile and user-friendly platform that allows anyone to craft surveys quickly and efficiently. Whether you are gathering feedback, conducting research, or even planning an event, Google Forms can be your go-to tool. Let's dive in and explore how you can create engaging surveys step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account. If you don't have an account yet, opening one is straightforward and free, granting you access to an array of Google services. Once logged in, open a new tab and head over to Google Drive. Here, you have the option to create new documents, spreadsheets, and yes, forms. Click on the New button, and from the drop-down menu, choose Google Forms. This will open a new form for you, already equipped with a default title and description. Now that you have your blank form, it's time to personalize it. To change the form's title, simply click on the text field labeled Untitled Form and enter your desired name. This can be the name of your survey or any descriptive title that suits the purpose. Directly beneath, you'll find another text box for the form description. Use this area to provide context or instructions to your participants, such as the survey's purpose or how long it might take to complete. Next, it's time to start adding questions. Google Forms defaults to a multiple-choice question type, but don't feel limited by this. Clicking on the question type drop-down menu presents you with various formats to choose from, including short answer, paragraph, checkboxes, drop-down menus, and more. To craft an engaging survey, think about which question types best fit the information you wish to gather. You can add more questions by clicking on the plus sign located on the sidebar. As you construct your questions, remember to tailor them to elicit clear and concise responses. If necessary, make certain questions required by toggling the Required button on the bottom right of each question box. This ensures that participants must answer certain questions before completing the survey. Once your questions are set, take a moment to customize the look of your form. In the palette icon at the top, you can change the theme color or add a background to make your survey visually appealing. A thoughtful design can encourage more engagement from your respondents. When you're satisfied with your form, it's time to share it. Click the Send button at the top right corner where you'll find several options for distribution. You can email it directly to recipients, share a link, or even embed it on a web page. Select the method that best reaches your audience. Remember, as responses come in, Google Forms automatically collects them into a neat summary with graphs and charts, making analysis a breeze. Simply click on the Responses tab to view this information. And that's it. You've just created a Google Form survey. Enjoy using this tool to make your next survey project efficient and insightful.